Excel Workbook and Use of English, Grade 5, Model 8G, exercises from 1 to 4, page 64. Exercise 1. Read the article and complete the spidergram. My favorite sport on TV by Kairat. I watch a lot of sport on TV. My favorite sport to watch is Formula 1. The Formula 1 races take place at the weekends from March until November. They happen at race tracks all over the world. Drivers from 11 teams race their cars around a track. Formula 1 has got really fast cars. The drivers wear special clothes, gloves, and a helmet when they are racing. I enjoy Formula 1 on TV because it's fast, fun, and exciting. Kairat's favorite sport on TV. Why you enjoy it? It's fast, fun, and exciting. Where? At the race tracks. Equipment, special clothes, gloves, and a helmet. What happens? Drivers from 11 teams race their cars around a track. Exercise 2. Choose the correct word. The first, let's go to the park and play football. The second, we can watch the football match or the tennis competition. The third, I like ice skating, but I don't like ice hockey. The fourth, what do you want to play, tennis or badminton? The fifth, he's not good at sports, but he can run really fast. The sixth, you need goggles and a helmet to go skiing. Exercise 3. What is your favorite sport on TV? Complete a spidergram like the one in exercise 1. My favorite sport on TV. Why you enjoy it? Fun and exciting. Where? In a field. Equipment, trainers, shorts, t-shirts, and a ball. What happens? 2 teams of 11 players each try to kick the ball and score a goal. Exercise 4. Complete the article below about your favorite sport on TV. Use your notes from exercise 3. I enjoy sport on TV. My favorite sport to watch is football. It takes place in field. 2 teams of 11 players each have to run and kick the ball to score a goal. They need trainers, shorts, t-shirts, and a ball to play football. I enjoy football on TV because it's fun and exciting.